Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video I solved question number 2 related with exercise number 9.1 relevant with chapter number 9 differential equation relevant with FSC part 2 mathematics. In today's video I will solve the next question number 3 related with the same exercise number 9.1 related with chapter number 9 differential equation FSC part 2 mathematics. So let's move toward lecture number 3 differential equation chapter number 9 FSC part 2 mathematics exercise number 9.1. Question number 3 tells that for each of the following equations determine whether or not it becomes linear when divided by dx or dy. So we will understand that there are total 4 parts. So we understand that either the given differential equation are linear or not linear. So we already understand this question in the question number 1 of this exercise number 9.1 in detail. So move toward the first part. Let's simplify this. Multiply x with dy, it become x dy. Multiply y with dy, it become y dy. Multiply x with dx, it become x dx. Multiply y with dx, it become minus y dx. So let's suppose I divide this whole equation with dx. So over here divide this with dx, divide this with dx, divide this with dx, and divide this with a dx. Dx can start with dx, dx can start with dx. Over here we left with x into dy over dx plus y into dy over dx is equal to x minus y. Let's suppose we have equation in term of two variable y and x. Y is equal to x plus 3. So over here this x is independent variable and this y is called dependent variable. So over here this is dependent variable y and dy, this is actually also dependent variable. Remember, when dependent variable and its first time derivative occurring, so this type of equation will be considered as a non-linear equation. So over here this whole differential equation is not linear because dependent variable and its highest power is 1. These are multiplied with each other. That's why this equation is not linear. Move to now part number 2. A dy plus by. This question came in the previous ETA paper. By sine x dx is equal to 0. So over here I divide this whole equation with a dx. So it become a dy by dx. Over here dx with cancel out with dx, we left with by sine x is equal to 0. So this equation is linear because linear equation, differential equation are those equation in which the highest power of the dependent variable is 1. So over here the highest power of dependent variable is 1 and also no dependent variable is multiplied with dy by dx. So it means this equation is considered as a linear differential equation. Now let's understand the next part number C of the same question number 3. 3y dx plus 2x dy is equal to 0. So divide this whole differential equation with dx. So 3y dx divide with dx and also divide this term with dx. So 2x dy by dx is equal to, on this side we left with 0 because 0 by dx gives us 0. So over here it become 3y dy by dx. Over here this is dx, not dx over dx. They can start with each other, so we left with 1. So it become 3y, just 3y, and plus 2x into dy by dx is equal to 0. So this equation is linear differential equation. Linear differential equation because no trigonometric function and no exponential comes over here and no trigonometric function appear over here. And the second thing is also over here no dependent variable is multiplied with the derivative of the dependent variable. Over here this is a dependent variable. It can be multiplied with dy by dx. So that's why this equation is linear differential equation. Now solving the last part of today's lecture, in last part of question number 3. This also came in the previous ETA papers of engineering test of mathematics portion. So this is very important part. So over here I divide this whole differential equation with dx. So it become e power x dy divided by dx and also divide this term with dx. X y power 1 over 3 dx divided by dx is equal to 0. So these can start with each other. We left with e power x into dy over dx plus x y power 1 over 3 is equal to 0. Divide the whole differential equation with e power x, so it become dy by dx and it become x y power 1 over 3 divided with e power x is equal to, it become 0. So this e power x will move to the numerator, it become dy over dx plus e raised to the power negative x into y power 1 over 3 is equal to 0. So this equation is not a linear differential equation because exponential function is multiplied with the dependent variable. Remember, the equation will be linear if the highest power of the dependent variable y is 1. So over here it is not 1, it is 1 over 3. That's why this equation is non-linear differential equation, and also exponential function appear over here. So with this question I finish my lecture. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to receive the upcoming notification and interesting and difficult problem related with FSC Part 2 mathematics or higher mathematics BSc. Thank you.